Okay guys, so this isn't the usual gaming video that you guys usually see on the internet. So guys, this isn't the usual gaming video. Also, face cam. Hey, when was the last time I showed my face? I don't know why my teacher gave me this task. It's probably one of the hardest tasks I've ever done in my whole 10 years of school. Yeah, I'm in grade 10. I'm not even in college yet. This is just a short little video that I wanted to upload because of how long it took. Literally 12 hours. 12 hours, like from morning all the way up until night. Had to find the correct type of dice. Casino dice, bro. I just bought this wooden cube. It's the same exact size as a casino dice. I measured it, so don't worry.
Anyways, we couldn't find any casino dice, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
That's all we could find.
And the cup too. But the cup was pretty easy to find. You just find that in your local store or something. Walmart. So, yeah.
Yeah. This video is not from the block with a couple of knocks. 3, 2, 1, go! Thirty.
Okay, ready? 2, 3. Okay, wait, keep recording. So close. Oh my god, it's way too close. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Four G's. I got the new 4 G's.
1, 2, some more. 5, 6, 9, 8, 1, 2, bakara my shoe. 1, 2, bakara my shoe. Oh wait, we should keep going because I have 60 seconds on the clock. Wow, that sucked so bad. No room! My god!
What is that?
I forgot.
Oh wait, we should keep going because I have 60 seconds on the clock. I forgot!
Oh wait, we should keep going.
50. 50.
Wow, bruh! 1, 2, 3, 4.
Go. $40. 30. 20.
Wow!
50. 40. 20. 10. 1. Go! 50. 40.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the bruh?
This is it, this is it.
This is it. Thanks for sticking with my channel. 3, 2, 1, go! $30.
'Shut